Have you ever changed one variable and watched another variable change too? That's exactly what happens when you confuse structs and classes in C#. A struct is a value type, it lives on the stack, and variables hold the actual data directly. A class is a reference type. Instances are allocated on the heap, and variables hold a reference to that object, not the object itself. This is the foundational difference between the two. Assign a struct to a second variable and the runtime creates a complete independent copy. Modify that copy and the origin untouched. With a class, both variables point to the same heap object. Mutate it through one variable and every other reference sees that change immediately. Classes support inheritance. You can derive from a base class to extend or override behavior. Structs cannot inherit from other types, though they can implement interfaces. For memory management, struct instances are automatically cleaned up when they leave scope, while class instances are tracked and reclaimed by the .NET garbage collector. Classes can also define a finalizer for custom cleanup logic. Use a struct for small, immutable, self-contained data. Think coordinates or color values. They're lean and avoid heap allocation. Choose a class when you need inheritance, shared mutable state, or a meaningful object identity. Structs are value types that copy on assignment. Classes are reference types that share state. Know this distinction and you'll write cleaner, safer C# code, like and follow for more. Want to get better at answering questions like this? With Interview Mentor, you practice real interview questions out loud. You get personalized feedback and a grade on every answer, and you can track your improvement over time.